So, hi guys! Since nakaayos na ako, ready na akong gumayak. So, on the way ako ngayon sa Market and SM Aura. So, I just need to buy something. Kailangan ko lang bumili ng pang-regalo. And, nag-book na ako ng angkas. So, inaantay ko na lang yung angkas ko. So, see ya! Wala akong idea kung anong regalong bibilin ko. And bad hair today ako ngayon. Nakainis. Pero kaya siguro pwedeng ganyan. Sino ka siya? Daming tao ngayon kasi Saturday nga pala. Bili ako ng takoyaki. Pang inap. Wow!
Bakit hindi mo ba makitang mahalin at ipakita na higit pa siya?
So, nabili ko naman yung plano kong bilhin. Pero feeling ko hindi siya enough. So, try ko dumaan sa Regatta. While looking for the gift, there's something I realized. And a lot of times, the people who are naturally givers end up receiving the least. And it's not because they expect anything in return. They give because that's how they show love. But even givers get tired, especially when all they really want is a little appreciation. So here's the lesson. If you're a giver, make sure to surround yourself with people who are naturally give back. People who don't need a reminder to value you. Because at the end of the day, you deserve the same love you keep giving to others.